Hello everybody, welcome to Chow Time. I am Spike Spencer. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna do something so easy, so fast. It's probably gonna end up being cut into a short, I am sure. This is not difficult, super simple. We're gonna be making roast garlic. Now, what I'm gonna be doing with this roast garlic is I'm gonna be putting it into some compound butter. That's another video cue for you right there. Go watch the compound butter show. But you can do so much with roast garlic. So let's get on it. Let's just show you really simple. I've got my little oven back there going at about 350 or so. Doesn't really matter. You can do this on a freaking grill or smoker or all kinds of stuff. That's another show altogether, I think. So we're gonna first take a full head of garlic. You can obviously do many of them if you want, but we're just gonna do one at this moment in time. We are going to cut the top off. There we go. Get rid of that. Now, what we've got is a nice cut. So look at this. Hey, pretty cool. Okay, what we're gonna do next is take a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna, actually, you know what, so I don't make a mess, I'm gonna put it in aluminum foil. Now some of you people go, oh my God, aluminum foil, that'll kill you. Everything's going to kill you. Get over it. So use a little bit at a time. I don't use a whole lot of aluminum foil if I don't have to, but you know what? This is how it works. This works really well with aluminum foil. I'm old school. Here we go. All right, I poured a little bit of olive oil, just enough to give it a nice little coating. I'm gonna take a little salt, a little pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle that up on top. There we go. And that is essentially it. We're gonna make some noise here. Put the oil in, give it a nice little over there. Now I've got a little ball of garlic with olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's it. Take this into the oven. I'm going to let that go for about 45 minutes or so, and then we'll check it then. But you're going to be about 45 minutes, and you're going to see how amazing that is. So we will have a nice quick edit, and I'll come back and be like, ooh, look, squishy garlic. You'll see, right? Now, okay, I think our garlic's done. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. So it has been in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Let's see what happened. Huzzah! All right, now, as you can see, so check that out. All right. So what happened here? We've got a head of garlic that if you eat it raw, you know how nasty that is. I did a whole show called The Garlic Show. I think I roasted some garlic then, but I want to focus on this right now because the roasted garlic, when you cut it like this and you put that oil in there and the salt and pepper, it seasons everything. So all these garlic cloves are now mushy and hot when you touch them. Give it a second. They are mushy. Now, what are you going to do with mushy garlic? Well, it's not as strong as raw garlic. So it takes away all that pungent and pop that is nasty if you eat raw garlic. And it makes it sweet. And it gives it that umami. We go back to that depth of flavor. So you can take this, slather it on toast, a little salt and pepper, a little olive oil, boom, done, perfect. But you can do a lot of things with it. As a matter of fact, we're going to do, I'm going to do a compound butter show. So I'm going to put some of this garlic into compound butter. Amazing. You could mash it up and put it in anything that you wanted. Definitely do some spaghetti or some pasta. Throw that in and toss that. Absolutely wonderful. So let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to make it quick. Watch how mushy it gets. Okay, nope. We're going to do this. It's hot. It does get quite messy. So you squeeze it and watch this. Oh, yeah, some of it's squishing, some of it's coming out whole. Ow, ooh, that's hot. Hello. There you go. But all of it's coming out. Ooh, nasty. And yet so good. There it is. Ooh, whole thing. Hey, no, ooh, hot. That is hot. All right. Is there anything else in there? Any other yummy goodness? There it is. Whew, there it is. Stuff is gold, man. All right, done. Now we have mashed up mushy garlic. It's not really something I'm going to end on as far as, oh, look at this. It's a wonderful presentation. No, it doesn't look pretty. But man, I can tell you right now, that's beautiful. So anyway, so now you know how to roast garlic. Cut off the top, oil, salt, pepper, wrap it in foil, oven, 350, about 45 minutes. Take it out, squish, and then let it cool and put it all over your body. I don't recommend that, actually, at all. I don't know why I said that. I need help. All right, guys, it has been chow time. I am Spike Spencer. Thank you for coming to my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed roasted garlic, and I'll see you next time on Chow Time. Let's eat.